If you're wondering whether Name Fatso AI is the real deal or just another overhyped tool, stick around, because these 7 crucial insights could save you time, money, and a ton of frustration. You can try Name Fatso AI completely free from the first link below, and in a minute I'll show you a feature most people are overlooking that might actually change how you use AI tools from now on. So, what exactly is Name Fatso AI? It's a brand new all-in-one AI assistant that claims to combine copywriting, image generation, video scripting, and even website content, all under one roof. It's aimed at marketers, creators, and solopreneurs who don't want to juggle 5 different AI subscriptions. And after testing it across multiple workflows, I can tell you it's surprisingly capable for something so new. First, the interface. It's clean, beginner-friendly, and fast. No fluff, no lag, and it doesn't try to upsell you every 5 minutes like other tools. That's a win. Second, the writing outputs. If you're coming from tools like Jasper or Copy.ai, Name Fatso AI is right up there in quality. But where it really shines is in its tone adaptation. Whether you're writing for a professional blog or a quirky TikTok caption, the output actually sounds human. Third, this is a big one, the templates. This software includes pre-built templates for product descriptions, ad copy, YouTube scripts, email marketing, and even full-blown SEO articles. And they actually work. You're not getting generic fluff. You're getting frameworks that you can plug into real campaigns. Fourth, it's multimodal. You can generate images and social media posts with just a single prompt. For digital marketers, this cuts down content creation time dramatically. I tested this with Facebook ads, and the combo of visuals plus persuasive copy was impressive out of the box. Fifth, collaboration. If you're working with a VA or a small team, you'll appreciate the built-in project sharing. Unlike some tools that charge extra for team seats, Name Fatso AI includes it, even in the free version. Sixth, updates. This is one of the rare tools that's actively improving weekly. Since launch, they've rolled out better voiceover tools, added PDF export, and improved AI memory, which means it remembers your brand voice across projects. That alone makes it more useful than 90% of the generic AI tools out there. And finally, pricing. Right now, they're offering a generous free trial with no credit card required, which is rare. If you're watching this while it's still new, you might want to lock that in, because once word spreads, that free tier may not last. If you're serious about scaling content, automating tasks, or getting ahead of the AI curve, Name Fatso AI might be one of the smartest tools to test right now. But here's the twist. There's one feature I haven't even mentioned yet that could make this your go-to software over tools like ChatGPT or Jasper, and that's something I'll cover in a follow-up video, so make sure to keep an eye out. Again, you can try Name Fatso AI for free using the first link below, and if you want to see my top-rated AI tools after testing literally thousands of them, those are listed in the description too.